that you can enter a terrace just next to the gates. That's great. Hola chicos! So I just arrived now in the airport in Malaga. The flight was very good. Flying was okay. A bit difficult with packages, but the main thing was the charging for every package. Now I'm going to grab my keys as always and driving further to Aguadulce. Finally arrived, and this is the apartment. So hello guys, it's me again in Spain. So hola chicos and chicas. Arrived in the beautiful beach side. The white beaches. It's really lovely with the palms. And as you can see, there are really expensive flats here. So we are in de Mar. So as you see here, there are really white beaches. Amazing.
Dime dónde las paso a dejar. Le llevo una flor a tu mamá para agradecer que te vino a crear. Solo quiero complacerla, que se sienta.
Señora y señor, yo cochino para playa. Ay, nos vemos a la playa. A basement, a sótano.
Mientras camina, yo te espero. No, lo creo que tú y yo no vemos.
The size of this croissant.
Tú y yo no vemos. Yeah, te estoy esperando, baby. Dime dónde, no lo pides, llevo flores.
So, I just arrived in Nerja. And Nerja is a little town about 40-50 kilometers away from Malaga. So I decided to make a stop here on my way back to Malaga and want to show you one of the most beautiful beaches. It's on top 15 according to the internet, so let's show you.
Dime dónde las paso a dejar. Le llevo una flor a tu mamá para agradecer que te vino a crear. Solo quiero complacerla, que se sienta toda una reina. Que yo me muero si me besa. Le doy mi vida si usted me deja. Te estoy esperando, baby. Dime dónde. Llevo flores, mereces flores.
So hello guys, I'm just arrived in Malaga after the ride, leaving my car by Avis. Now in front here of the Cathedral of Malaga, going to my hotel, leaving my stuff there and show you a bit of Malaga. Enormous cathedral, amazing. really huge. So guys, I'm at Puerto, from just in front of the Playa de Malagueta, and it's so amazing. This whole promenade, just go for it. You have on the other side boats and the sunset. Best place. Really can recommend to go there. I going out for lunch, dinner is la cena. After driving 1.5 hours, I decided to take a little break and just look at this amazing view. And I just saw this illegal area. Yes. Yo estoy aquí Aguadulce. Sí. Estoy muy happy aprendiendo español. Estoy lentamente aprendiendo. Sí. Veo tornado. Sí. Ja. Yo multitask difficulty.